guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something super fun with you guys. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the shoes that I got from the Ivy Park and Adidas collection, which I am super excited about. I know I told you guys I would have a makeup video coming for you guys this week, but I had some technical difficulties. So that's gonna have to be postponed until next week, but honestly I think this is better anyways. I think this is the universe telling me that this is the video that needed to come out, because this collection just launched on Friday, this past Friday, and I just feel like I need to share with you guys sooner rather than later this unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, last week the collection with Ivy Park and Adidas came out. It was last Friday, and Ivy Park, for those of you who don't know, but I feel like pretty much everyone knows, is the athletic line that Beyonce came out with. So she came out with this collection with Adidas. I'm not sure if it's gonna be like a normal thing, like they're gonna constantly be doing these types of collections, kind of like how Kanye West has his Yeezys that come out through Adidas. I hope so, but we'll see moving forward how that happens. But she came out with a whole collection with a ton of different pieces. I think there was like 4 different pairs of shoes. There was sweats, there was jackets, there was bodysuits, sports bras, there was like a whole line. And the color palette that she went with had a lot of like maroons, oranges, and then some just like creamish colors as well. And what I really liked about the line is she said that it was meant to be like a unisex line, so men or women could wear it, and it was just meant to be made for everyone, which I think was really awesome. So I went on and I picked up a couple things. So the first thing that I picked up is these sweats here. And I just think they're super cute. They're like a cream color. I do feel like they have like a slight pink tint to them. I don't know if that's just me or if anyone else felt that way, but once I got them I felt like they had that tint, but I didn't feel like I saw it when I saw the pictures online. But then it has a bunch of different like cargo pockets. So it has this pocket here, has this like pocket in the front and on the back as well, and then it also has these like little buttons, which I'm not sure exactly what these little, like, it's just for design, but I told my husband that the reason for those is if I want to just show off a little knee or something like that. I just thought it was funny, and it has, like I said, the maroon stripes down the side, and they're just super comfy sweats. I've been wanting some sweats anyways, just some nice sweats that I can wear in or out of the house. I feel like a lot of my sweats are kind of raggedy, and I don't feel like I wouldn't wear them out of the house. So that's kind of why I picked these up, which I'm super excited to wear. I haven't worn them yet. And then the second thing that I got is actually a pair of shoes from the collection. There was 2 pairs of shoes that I wanted, but one of them was completely sold out by the time I got to it, like every single size. The ones that I got, they were sold out of my size, but they had a half size bigger, which I thought would be okay, so we will try them on and see if they are. But I'm super excited. I haven't opened these up yet, so I'm going to be doing it for the first time with you on camera. But it comes in this like white, just a plain white box. It does have like the 3 stripes, Adidas 3 stripes on the front, and then it has the Adidas logo on the side. And the other part that I thought is really cool, which it's hard for you to see in camera, but it does have the Ivy Park logo embossed on this side as well. So it has both logos. And I just think that's a cool little touch, and it's just like a real basic box. And then these ones are the Nite Joggers shoes. So let's open them up. I'm super stoked. I can't wait. Oh, they're so cute. I'm so excited. So these are the shoes here. So they have like they're kind of like a cream color. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but I'm definitely going to be doing a try on for you guys as well. So it has the gray on the toe. It's kind of like a suede material, as well as the tan right here on the side. And then it does have like the 3 gray stripes as well. One thing I liked about this is actually the laces. So it has like these orange laces, which I think are just cool. They're like a cool pop of color. And it does have some stitching along the side as well. And then the laces actually have like this drawstring type of thing going for it. So they're not like regular laces. So it's just like a unique little touch in my opinion. And then it does have this like Ivy Park little thing on the back of it, which when I saw the pictures of the collection, one of her pictures I saw her like holding the shoe kind of like this, and another one I think she had it like clipped while she wore a different pair of shoes. I'm obviously not going to do that. I'll probably put this on my backpack or something like that, because you can see it's not something you would keep on the shoe. It would just totally drag on the ground, and that's not a look. So definitely will be taking that off. But then on the back here, it does have like that maroon color lace, and it's just kind of wrapped, and it's just for the pull tab. It's just kind of a cool little feature. And then inside it does have like the Adidas and Ivy Park logo on the sole of the shoe. And then I believe these have the Ultra Boost in them as well. It looks like the Ultra Boost material. I don't remember reading if it said that it was Ultra Boost or not, but it definitely looks like it would be. And then the bottom is just like the tan and gray. But I just think they're so cute. They're a little bit unique. When I first saw them, I honestly did think from the pictures that they kind of looked like Reeboks, like just the style of how it had these details right here on the side. But now in person, they don't look like that at all. But I am super excited to try these. I'm gonna do a try on for you guys so that you can see exactly what they look like. So this is kind of what that pull tab looks like without the thing on. So like I said, I'll be taking that little thing off, whatever. I don't know what this is really for. Like I said, I'll just put it on my backpack, have a cute little detail on my backpack. But these are the shoes, so let's go ahead. I'll put them on for you and show you guys what they look like. Okay, so these are the shoes here. You can see how they look on the feet. They're super comfortable. I do think they have that boost in them because it does feel like it's that boost material. And I just love the little details of these shoes. Like I said, I really like the uniqueness of this like drawstring for the laces. And I also noticed it has like a little Ivy Park logo right here on the side, which I just think is really cute. As you can see, this is not something I would keep on because it definitely just drags on the floor, but it's definitely super cute for pictures or, like I said, just as a cute little accessory. They are super comfortable. I like the way that they look. It's something I feel like will go with quite a bit of things. And then you can see that little pull tab on the back. I don't really usually use the pull tab, but it's definitely a cool little feature. And then I did just throw on the sweats with it so you can kind of get a small idea of what those look like together. But I am a huge fan. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this try on video. I really enjoy these shoes. I'm super excited to wear them and to style them. As far as fit, I do feel like they fit really good. I feel like when they were on the website, they had men's sizes. So I bought a men's size 7.5, which if you watched my Yeezy video, in that video, I bought my Yeezys in a men's size 7, which those fit fine, but they fit like perfect. Like there's no wiggle room, and I probably shouldn't wear too thick of socks, which is fine because they've worked. And I've also, as I've worn them more, they've kind of fit to my feet a little bit better. These ones with the 7.5, I was worried they would be too big because that is like a women's 8.5, and I usually don't wear an 8.5. It all kind of depends on the shoe though. So these ones, I kind of didn't have a choice. I had to get the men's 7.5 because they didn't have the 7, but they fit fine. I have no problems with them. I feel like once you tighten up the laces, they fit really snug and I don't have any issues with them. So like I said, I'm super excited to wear these and to style them, and the sweats. I'm excited for both of these. I hope that she comes out with more items in her collection. Hopefully it's kind of a collab like Kanye West and Adidas, so that there's constantly different colorways and different items coming out, because so far they killed it with this collection. I am totally a fan, and I will purchase more items. So if they do and I buy anything else, I'll probably be on here doing another unboxing, so you'll see me again doing this. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell while you're at it so that you can make sure that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm currently posting 2 videos a week. So I usually post on Sundays and Thursdays. Lately I've been doing self-care Sundays as my Sunday video. So if you haven't checked those out, you definitely should. I feel like they're really fun and just kind of good information, which is kind of what I like about them. And also, if you guys got anything from this collection, comment down below and let me know what you got and what you think. Like I said, I'm a fan and I am super excited to wear both of these items. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!